What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we got something a little special lined up. As you saw in the intro, I got the Dakota all washed up. It wasn't a full, perfect, professional detail by any means, but I wanted to get that truck nice and clean and prepped for a nice little something I got in the mail the other day. And I'll show you guys what came in the mail right now. So I reached out to a company online called ExoForma, and they make car care products. And with all the hype going on recently with, the ceramic coating and all that stuff, I wanted to try something out on my truck, and they were kind enough to send me out one of their products to try out and do a video on to review for you guys. And this is the first time I've ever used this product, and I'm very excited to try it out. So let me show you guys what they sent me. But first, before I open the box, I just wanted to say, very nice presentation. You got their custom tape with their logo on there. Very nice touch. And I already opened it before I'm filming this video because I got a little excited. So, as you see, they bubble wrap their product. Very nice label. Not that that means much, but very nice label, presented well. And I'm not sure if it's picking up in the reflection or not. The colors on this label are very nice and they stand out. And something that, strikes high in my book is made in the USA. Right here at home, baby. And they got a nice little spray bottle. So, open this up. And it smells like blueberries, which pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, that it's better than an air freshener, really. Like I'd like to have this in my truck to smell all the time. So it's very nice. You got a nice little seal on there. Put the spray bottle on there, and it just says DIY, spray on, wipe off. I'll do some shots of this bottle, let you guys read it, and then we'll apply it to the truck and see how it holds up. And feel free to pause the video to read the information on the label. I just wanted to put it in there in case any of you guys are interested. And now that we got those product shots done, let's go apply some on the truck and see how it works. And also, guys, I just wanted to say before I apply the product to my truck that my paint is not in the best condition. It's a daily driver. It's beat up a little bit, but it still shows nice. And if this was a professional detail, I'd clay bar the truck first and really get the paint set before I apply this product. But I just wanted to wash it down real quick, and if you guys saw my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about my paint conditions. But I'm very eager to apply this product, and I'm gonna get to it right now. Alright guys, so I just got the first coat on, and I gotta say, it came out really nice. It feels like there's a wax on there, and I'm a die-hard wax guy. That's all I've ever used. This is the first time I've ever used a product even close to like this, and I have to say, it came out really nice. It feels like glass. It is super smooth. It calls for 2 to 3 coats, but I have to give it an hour cure time. So I'm gonna throw on a second coat. I might do a third. We'll see how late the day gets, but I'll catch up with you whenever I get the second coat on, and I'll give you an update. Maybe I'll spray some water on it and see how it beads up.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I just finished applying the second coat of the ExoForma, and I think I'm going to just spray down the hood just to see how it works. I was going to wait until it rains because I didn't want to risk getting water spots on it, because I really don't know how this stuff works, but we're going to find out. You're going to see it firsthand as well as me, because I've never used this stuff before, and I'm excited to see what happens. So let's spray some water on the front end. Wow, that's amazing. That's literally just sliding right off of there. I guess you can compare it to wax, but this is in its own field. I wouldn't. This is way different than wax. That's crazy. It takes a lot to impress me with car care products because I've tried so many, but for first look, this is, I will be using this again. And even the shine you get from it, that's amazing. I just wanted to end this video before it gets too late. I have to say I'm very, very pleased with this product, the ExoForma ceramic shield. I will be using it again, and honestly, it might just beat out the wax on my truck. I'm not going back to wax with it, I'll tell you that right now. You know, when I used wax before, you could feel like the waxy residue left on the truck. This feels like there's nothing on there, but it feels like glass. It is super smooth, but you don't have that residue on there. I'm not sure if you guys were able to tell in the last shot or not, but like the way that the water beat it up, it kind of resembled wax a little bit, but I have to say it did a very, very good job given the fact that this paint is pretty trash and I have to get the truck repainted anyways. But that just goes to show you, if you have a daily driver, this product will work on it. I'm not trying to sell you guys this product, I'm just giving my honest review about it. Sent me out this product and I told them I'd do a video on it and give them my honest feedback, and that's what I'm doing for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a bunch of other products too. I've never tried them, so if they're anything like this product, I will be giving them a try, and looking forward to it. I'll leave their link down in the description. And I'm not sure if you guys were able to tell or not in the leaf blower shot where I blew the water off the hood and it just slid right off like glass. So if you're in a rainstorm and you have this product applied to your vehicle, it's just gonna bead right off, and I'm very pleased with it. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully it works out good. And guys, I have to say, I did use different types of waxes on this truck before, and I was satisfied with the results, but this is the first time where I'm actually like kind of shocked. Like I don't really have words, and the way that the truck is shining, I've just never seen it shine like that before. It's like a real deep, rich shine. I don't know how to describe it. And now that it's getting later, my camera's not that great in low light, but I mean, this stuff is amazing. I will be using it again. And thank you once again, ExoForma, for sending this out for me to try. I greatly appreciate it. And I will be using your products again here in the future. But yeah, guys, a little shorter video than usual. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. And I think I'm just gonna sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.